Hi, I'm Dr. Cheryl Fraser, and I've got some bad news for you about what's actually happening and not happening for couples just like you. Twice a year, I teach a free online workshop. You can click below if you're curious about that. And I taught it at the beginning of the year, and here's what more than 700 couples I polled told me. Only 8% of you say you have a great sex life. Only 13% of you say you're still excited about your sweetheart. In fact, what you say is that the dog is way more excited to see you at the end of the day than the person you're with. Look, you are normal. If you find yourself lying in bed at night the odd time next to your snoozing sweetheart and having doubts, thinking, where's the love and the passion and the fun we used to have? I mean, I love them, but I don't know if I'm in love with them anymore. You may be wondering who the heck I am and why you should listen to me, and that's an excellent question. By training, I'm a clinical psychologist, a sex therapist. I'm an author of the book Buddha's Bedroom, where I teach couples how to reignite the kind of passion and romance they've lost. And I've been an invited speaker for some of the greatest teachers in the world, including Tony Robbins and Jack Canfield from Chicken Soup for the Soul. And twice a year, I offer this workshop. You can register below. And here's what's going to happen in the workshop. I'm going to teach you what I call the 3 keys to passion. Think of it as a building block for an exceptional relationship. If you want to be a great cook, a great golfer, a great parent, and certainly in our careers, we know we need to study, learn, and find out what the true skills are that predict success. What predicts success in relationship are 3 key areas that I teach couples just like you how to master. Show up for this workshop, pick the time that works best for you, bring your sweetheart, bring a pen and paper, because I'm going to say a lot of things you'll want to start applying right away. And the best part is bring your questions, because you're going to get a chance to ask me live on that online workshop, the burning question, to get the help you need to take a step right now to move you from where you are to where you want to be. Look, we all know where we want to be. We want to be back in love with the one we're already with. We want to have more romance and more fun. We want to know more often that I am the most important person in your world. I would love to help you get there. I've helped hundreds of couples just like you get there, and I love helping you fall in love all over again with the one you're already with. I can't wait to see you this week. Join the time that works best for you, and I'll see you there.